How y'all doing? What is going on? Welcome. Today's first day of rifle season. Getting stuff ready here. Legal shooting starts at 5 or 6:30. Oh my gosh. I think it's 6:36 to be exact. But I got to put our orange vest on here. I already have my orange hat on. I had it inside with me. Whew. A little small. So one thing that I don't normally do for rifle season is not take my rifle case. I'll just normally lay it on the back seat. Like, it's normally with me. That's how I take it with me to hunt. But I think what I'm going to do, it's going to be cold. Move that out of the way. What I think I'm going to do, first off, the wind's blowing a little bit. It's supposed to be windy. So what I think, I don't know. Because I'm also trying a new spot back down in, also let me show you guys. Bam. 30-06 ammo. What is this? I don't know what this little case is. I don't remember. Oh, okay. That stays here. These gloves for sure. We're gonna put those on right now so I can still. And then gotta go through the backpack here. It's all down here that I threw. We'll take that just in case. Yeah. Well, I guess once I get done recording this part with you guys, depending on, I'll look at the, what do you call it? I guess weather. And depending on what that says, I guess that'll decide if I take, those are empty. So those stay here. That's stuff that I picked up last time. Okay, backpack. Definitely taking my stool. Water's still in there. 2 things of paper towels. Yeah, stool's still going. Okay. Oh, that, okay. Let me grab, just in case. I don't think, yeah, I'm not gonna take the blind. I'll just sit. I can go in there. I can go in there. Where did I put? Because I'm gonna need to take that with me. I gotta take a tripod with me because, as I found out this morning, first aid. That's good. What's in here? I don't remember what I have in here. Oh, my rope. Okay. Yeah. Oh, that's ain't gonna fit. It'll fit in the middle, but not. Okay. Snap that on. There's one. Where's that other one? You know what? Hold on. Get me. Sorry about this, guys. Give me a minute. I'm hanging stuff up because I'm tired of it. I threw the jacket on the ground because we were cleaning up, but when we were moving, I just kind of threw them in here when we knew we got the house so that we could use the car to bring stuff and move stuff. It's supposed to have a hole in it? Yes, okay. Oh yeah, it's supposed to. Okay, where's that second one at? Oh, there it is. I was like, what the heck? How did I lose it? Okay. So. Oh, cap came off. I'll leave that in the car. What I'm gonna do is I'll move you guys here. We got coffee too, so. Set that down right there. Yeah, it has a tripod. Actually, let me move it this way. So actually, I'm gonna grab you guys from this. So, let me show you guys here. So this is my 30-06. It is a Savage Axis 30-06. So I'm not gonna, and of course, safety first. I have the clip to it right here. Clip, whatever you want to call it. Mag clip. I don't know what one that falls under. There's the keys. What time is it? What time is it? 5:16. Okay. And we'll leave the lock laying here. So I'm not going to take the lock with me. We're not going to load it either. Safety's on. I gotta remember it. There we go. So it's a 30-06 Springfield round, which I didn't realize it was called 30-06 Springfield till just a while ago. I thought it was always called 30-06. These are cold. And I'm shooting Federal PowerShock 150 grain jacketed soft point, which I've killed a couple deer this way. with them. And this clip holds 4. Pretty sure. Oh, maybe 3. Maybe. There we go. So 4. 4's our max in there, so that's good. That's fine. Boom, boom, boom. Now the little dump pouch, I don't know if you guys can see it. This little dump pouch here, I carry with me rifle, archery, any season. Even when I'm walking in the woods, I carry it with me. So you know what? These are just going to go inside my backpack. Both of these 2 little pouches are. So I really don't want to lose them. Come on. There we go. Okay. Snap. I gotta find my one light. I just thought of that. I ain't walking into the woods if I don't have my light. Where would that be? Where would I have put that? Uh-oh. That's why you always keep track of your gear. Hey, look. I found the one for my hat. That's perfect. Still work? Oh, yeah. That'll be the one I keep on there for now. Okay, so I'm going to grab the tripod. This clip is going to go in my pocket for now. Ta-da. Okay. Do another check just to make sure it's empty. It's empty, good. Rifle is safe and unloaded. What the heck? What did I do with the tripod? Where is my tripod? Ooh. Okay, guys, I know it's starting to get close to legal hunting time here. It's still a little dark in the woods. I don't know how good this spot actually is. I haven't hunted this exact spot before, so it's brand new to me. I don't even know what time it is. What time is it? 6:28. Oh, okay. Got 6 minutes till they say legal hunting time is. First day of rifle. Had a little quick cat nap while out here, but there's plenty of snow, so I should be able to hear stuff moving around. Got up a little bit more. You can't even see me. So it don't matter. If we go up a little bit more to my right, just where I'm hoping to shoot, there are oaks up there. So that's probably what they'll be eating on. But we're gonna sit here. So it is now legal hunting time. Rifles loaded. I'm sitting here. You guys are set. Hopefully, we can get something. Definitely help food-wise. If I fill both my buck and doe tag, wonderful. If not both, at least one. I'd like to at least fill one of them today. But hey, it's only that big no rifle. I don't know if I'll come out tomorrow before church or not. But I guess we'll find out. This looks like a pretty nice area to sit. If that's the path there, if I decide to shoot across it for deer wise, I gotta make sure there's nothing there. Wind's dying down a little bit, but it's still only 22 degrees out. But we're gonna sit here, see if we see anything. I'll bring you guys back when something interesting happens. Hey guys, welcome back. Yesterday did not see anything. And the path is kind of sitting right in front of me, so I'm trying to make this quick before other people come walking down. But today it's Sunday morning. Yes, I'm gonna go to church. That's at 10:30. But legal hunting time was at 6:33 this morning, which I don't know how I can't still barely see unless it comes like walking right up to me. But guess we'll find out what happens. I didn't see anything yesterday while out, except like on my way home after it was dark. I saw 4 doe across the road, but that was about it. So okay guys, let me turn that down for a minute. Car's heating up. Just got back to the car. I decided to walk down to the creek and walk back. I saw where someone shot a deer yesterday. And then as I'm finished walking and out, there's 2 people walking down there. I stopped to talk to them. They said that a doe that they had shot, not the 2, but they had seen it down, because I said, oh, they asked if I'd seen anything. I said, no, I didn't see anything, but I saw blood from where someone shot a deer yesterday. And they go, oh yeah, we saw that laying on the side down there. And it was, the older guy goes, yeah, it was about the size of a dog. I'm thinking, oh my goodness, people, this is why. I don't even know what to say to that. Why would you shoot a doe that small? Like, really? Why? Oh my goodness. That means it was this year's fawn. Which I guess it's not a fawn anymore, but still. What the heck are you thinking shooting a doe that small? Unless it was a kid or something, I get that. It would explain why I didn't see any drag marks. The thing was so late, they probably picked it up and carried it out. I don't know. I get if a kid shoots that, that's an awesome deer for him. But like a full-grown adult should not be shooting a doe that small. That's why we have all these older deer, and everyone's like, there's no new population of them. Yes, there is. Just come rifle season, everyone's shooting the younger ones. Whatever. Okay. Car's heated up. Time to get over my rant and move on. I got about half hour till I get home. I need to be home before church. I think I'm gonna go up the road a little bit to the rest of the state game lands and see how many people are there. Because everyone that's here was basically here yesterday. At least vehicle-wise. Okay. Well, that'll probably be it for today's video. I won't get out during the week, so you'll probably see another video from me next weekend, which will be the second weekend in our rifle season. And then if I don't get anything, then